in this episode of Bake the Challenge, Carla, we're gonna pull out an oldie but goodie.
Okay.
Date Night Cupcakes.
Okay.
Featuring an aphrodisiac. What? That aphrodisiac is not chocolate, not oysters, not basil, champagne.
Whoa!
I think champagne is one of the hardest things to bake with.
It's hard. Oh! Okay.
So I didn't want to give you an easy one like chocolate. Put 60 minutes on the clock. Carla, get to baking. I'm not baking.
For this 60-minute challenge, I'm gonna make vanilla bean cupcakes, scented with champagne, and a vanilla bean frosting.
One of the things that's so hard about using champagne in baking is that you lose the bubbles when you bake with it. And so how do you kind of recreate that effervescence in a cupcake? Okay.
Whoa! Oh! Okay. Normally for really soft cupcakes, like light cupcakes, I would do oil, but I like the flavor of butter, so instead of doing a butter cake, I'm gonna do melted butter and I'm gonna brown it.
Everybody wants to use brown butter in competitions because it tastes so good. It has so much flavor, but it requires time to brown. It also requires time for it to cool back down before you can incorporate it into, say, your buttercream or before you can incorporate it into your batter. Carla, you have 45 minutes.
Why do I already feel like I'm behind?
60 minutes is not a lot of time to bake, cool, fill, ice, and decorate cupcakes. It's just not a lot of time.
Now I am making sour cream and incorporating the champagne in with the sour cream because it is cold.
Carla, aphrodisiacs, do they work?
You want to feel light. You want lightness. I mean, that's sexy. Lightness, not heavy. Never make a heavy meal for your partner because honestly, they're going to be going to sleep instead of doing whatever you think they're going to be doing, then they're going to be doing that.
If you're enjoying any of this content, let us know with a like or a subscribe or a little comment that says, Carla, you're wonderful. You're doing so great. Keep it up.
Damaris, you're awesome. You're beautiful. What?
Okay, aphrodisiac. It's working. How are you feeling, Carla?
I feel like I need to do something else.
When you're competition cooking or baking, the first thing you have to do is complete the challenge, which is to make a cupcake using champagne. After that, you can think about a little extra something that'll dazzle me.
All right, cupcakes in.
Champagne is like a little simple. I hope that Carla kind of elevates that flavor with something else.
So I think what I'm gonna do is go in here with some champagne. I'm gonna add some peaches in. As that is cooking down, I'm just sort of thinking as I'm cutting them, and I don't really have time, but this is what I'm doing to give the people what they want.
30 minutes down, 30 to go, Carla.
So now I'm going to start working on my frosting. My champagne is still a little warm. I'm gonna make a slurry with the champagne and the powdered sugar to cool it down.
So by adding the powdered sugar to that champagne, you just save the time that it would take for that champagne to naturally cool down on
Exactly,
its own.
and you've worked so hard with the cold butter that you don't want it to melt.
That was fast, that came together very fast.
I don't taste the champagne, so.
You do not have time to reduce down more champagne.
I don't.
Putting a liquid that's essentially water straight into buttercream is very risky. It will give you a really intense champagne flavor. Oh, I feel so nervous about this. Because there's not really enough time to remake it. It would just really set you back. Still has a beautiful texture.
Okay.
Does it have
I
a
stuff to
champagne?
do. I'm not celebrating. I'm celebrating too soon.
Okay. Let me be the judge of that, Carla. Okay, 15 minutes, Carla.
They are springing back slowly.
I think everything smells great. I don't know if she has time to complete everything.
All right. So, all right. Okay.
That looks very good.
Oh! Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh my God! Good God! Peaches! Oh no, I gotta get the camera. You trying to distract me?
I was trying to distract her. So that is caramelized sugar. It is piping hot, but it does have to be cool so it doesn't melt our icing.
That's right. I need some decor for my cupcakes because it's super simple to do a flower on top. You know, it's like giving your partner flowers.
Carla, you have 5 minutes left.
Ah! The plate is still really hot. I have to keep doing this. I'm building the dam, and I'm gonna put the peach filling in the center of this.
2 minutes, Carla.
Oh! Oh my God! Need to decorate them.
Let's go. Carla, you, come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Goodness. Sam, I cannot talk right now. I'll call her back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carla Hall time is up. You baked the challenge.
I respect every single baker who bakes a cupcake and makes the frosting and makes the filling and then even has intention about flavors. So it was harder than I thought. Here is my Aphrodisiac and champagne inspired cupcake.
Look at how easily the paper is removing. That's a super good sign. Texture, gorgeous, dense crumb, you know, nice, like tight, but still airy and bouncy. The buttercream is delicious. I think I would have been hunting for the champagne if you hadn't put the peaches in there, but now it's like front and center. It's very bright, it's very acidic, it's very fruity. And you mimicked the warmth of champagne and the fruitiness of champagne with like the brown butter, brown sugar, vanilla bean cake, warmth of champagne with all of the fruitiness because of the actual peaches. Carla took on 60-minute date night cupcakes with the Aphrodisiac inside and absolutely killed it.
Tune in next time when it's Damaris' turn to bake the challenge.
Cutting!